हेलो देयर, गुड मॉर्निंग। राइट नाउ अभी बज रहे ऑलमोस्ट 9 o'clock को 5 मिनट कम। यहाँ से जाने के लिए मेट्रो से हम लोग को 45 मिनट्स लगता है। नहीं 45 नहीं, 40 मिनट्स। एंड वहाँ से मेट्रो से ऑफिस वॉक इज जस्ट 5 मिनट। एंड ये सब भी क्या बोल रहे हो, ऑफिस वगैरह क्या 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 चल क्या रहा है। मेरे मामा की कंपनी है, तो वही ऑफिस में मैं ज्वाइन हो चुका हूँ। एंड आप सोच रहे हैं कि मैं आई हेट जॉब, मैं तो जॉब को हेट कर रहा हूँ, ये क्या सीन है। तो ये क्या सीन है, ये कब हुआ, ये कब बना यार। मैं 2 महीने पहले आया था, ये नहीं था, ये बिल्डिंग था ही नहीं, तो डिगिंग कर रहे थे। तो आई हेट जॉब, दैट्स ट्रू, बट आई डोंट हेट बिजनेस। तो ये जॉब से मेरे को बहुत 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 अब ग्रोइंग वाला बिजनेस मिलने वाला है। यू वॉन्ट इवन बिलीव, वो जो भी मैं बोल रहा हूँ वो सच होता है। एंड एक मिनट, एंड द थिंग इज कि आज हम लोग को ट्रेड मिलने वाला है। एंड मैं इतना कॉन्फिडेंस हूँ कि ये वीक में हम लोग का प्रॉफिट होने वाला है। एंड जो भी लॉस हुआ है 2.4% का टोटल लॉस है, वो सब रिकवर होने वाला है एंड डबल प्रॉफिट होने वाला है। दैट मीन्स विल बी राइट नाउ अभी हम लोग डाउन -2.4% है, तो हम लोग प्रॉफिट में जाने वाले हैं ऑलमोस्ट 2%। तो विल मेक 4%, -2.4% विल मेक प्रॉफिट ऑफ 2%। Actually we'll make a 4.2% profit, then -1.2 is equals to 2% profit। या वो कैलकुलेशन मैंने yesterday किया था। फुटपाथ ये फुटपाथ ख़त्म भी हो गया है, देखो ये कचरे में से नहीं जा सकता मैं, तो मेरे को हाईवे से ही जाना पड़ेगा। ओह माय गॉड, ये क्या है, ये गिर रहा है, इसके ऊपर से गिर रहा है, कचरे की गाड़ी है। होली शिट, मुझे थोड़ा साइड पे ही जाना पड़ेगा केयरफुली। ओह माय गॉड, लुक एट दिस। ऐसे भाई मैं बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस हूँ। एंड प्लस वहाँ पे बहुत कचरे का स्मेल आ रहा है। यहाँ पे डंपिंग एरिया है, वहाँ पे मेरा ऑफिस जो है, वहाँ पे बहुत सारे लीड्स भी बोल सकते हैं। तो भाई बिजनेस एक बिजनेस ग्रो होने वाला है, और वो सब बिजनेस मैंने भी येस्टरडे के ब्लॉग में डाला हुआ है, तो यू कैन डू एंड वॉच इट। अभी हम वॉकिंग क्यों कर रहे हैं, वॉकिंग हम लोग वहाँ पे एक मेट्रो स्टेशन है, वो मेट्रो स्टेशन में जाएंगे। वो मेट्रो स्टेशन पे जाने के बाद वो वनाज का मेट्रो स्टेशन है, फिर फ्रॉम वनाज टू कल्याणी नगर हम लोग मेट्रो से जाएंगे। एंड फ्रॉम व्हाट इट इज, फ्रॉम कल्याणी नगर टू ऑफिस विल गो फॉर 5 मिनट वॉक। साइनिंग ऑफ ब्रदर, मेरा हाथ दुख रहा है। विदिन 2 सेकेंड्स मैंने वापस ओके। ये फुटपाथ से हम लोग जा सकते हैं। मेरे को ये अपडेट देना था, हमें भूल भी गया था बताना कि वो दादा को लगा, उनको ही बोल रहा हूँ मैं। सो मेरे को ये अपडेट देना था कि हम लोग एक नहीं, 2 नहीं, 3 स्टूडेंट बहुत रेडी है टू लर्न अबाउट ट्रेडिंग। एंड मैं उनको सिखाने वाला हूँ। तो मैंने 2 स्टूडेंट को होल्ड किया हुआ है, एंड जो एक स्टूडेंट है वो स्मेल बदबू, तो वो एक स्टूडेंट है, उनका लेक्चर मैं आज से 11:30, रात के 11:30 से लेकर 12:30 तक 1 घंटा लेक्चर लूँगा। ओह माय गॉड, मेरा हाथ दुख रहा है। आई विल बैक ब्रदर, ये सब बाद में एक बात की बात है। वनाज, अरे यार वनाज का नेम था, मेरे नाम वनाज के मेट्रो स्टेशन पे आया। लुक एट दिस, कर दी सब ऑफिस को जा रहे हैं ना। सो अभी हम लोग यहाँ पे बनास सुनाव हम लोग ऐसे जाके इधर आना है. दिस इज़ दी कल्याणी नगर. ये हमारा स्टॉप रहना है. एंड इवन दिस इज़ दी उधर से नहीं इधर है. ये जो पूरा ये वाला जो एरिया है ना शिवाजी नगर से इधर तक ये पूरा अंडरग्राउंड है. एंड इफ़ यू वांट एक्सपीरियंस स्को इट. मनास के मेट्रो स्टेशन में एंटर कर गया. यार मेरे को यार हिंदी वाला व्लॉग आ रही नहीं है. आई एम वेरी गुड इन इंग्लिश व्लॉग बट आई एम ट्राइंग टू लर्न हिंदी. But it is what it is. Now this is the Ramwadi, heading towards this. वैसे भी लिफ्ट चले गए. We'll take that elevator. That right there is the experience. If you're taking the elevator, you will not get this experience. So मैं तो वही लेने वाला हूँ. हाँ, look at this. ये स्टेशन ऐसे ये वाला जो लाइट है ना बहुत ड्रीमी लग रहा है यार. It looks good. Also look at this. हेलीकॉप्टर मेरा भाड़े पे दिया हुआ हेलीकॉप्टर आ गया. देखो हो रहा. अरे बाप रे कितना भारी लग रहा है यार. शार्क जैसा है. वाह आई लाइक इट. तो वो माउंटेन पे मैं गया था. वो वाले वो जो जितने भी माउंटेन है वो सब माउंटेन ही है. बट अरे इसमें दिख नहीं रहा है क्या फॉग है. वो वाले माउंटेन पे गया था मैं 2-3 महीने पहले. बट लुक एट दिस कितना मस्त लग रहा है यार. द लाइट इज़ गेटिंग फिनिश टच. एंड ये रहा मेट्रो स्टेशन. बाप रे बहुत गर्दी है. तो नेवर एवर स्टॉप ओवर हियर. स्टॉप इन समवेयर मिडल और समवेयर एंड. नेवर स्टॉप इन फर्स्ट एंड एंड. एंड इवन लिफ्ट के सामने कभी रुकना नहीं बिकॉज वो वहाँ पे बहुत भीड़ होती है. ठीक है. अ हैक. गाड़ी आने को टाइम है थोड़ा एक मे बी सम सेकेंड्स. सो लुक एट दिस. वो एरिया में बहुत भीड़ है. ये एरिया में भीड़ नहीं बिकॉज यहाँ पे पीपल आते ही नहीं. वो पीपल आते हैं ऊपर एंड वहाँ पे ही रुक जाते हैं. तो यस्टरडे मैंने 1:30 बजे तक मैंने पैरट्स फक. मैंने यस्टरडे लिटरली 1 बजे तक मैंने बिजनेस का लेक्चर किया. फिर उसके बाद मैंने वीडियो एडिटिंग किया एंड अपलोडिंग किया ऑलमोस्ट 1:30 बजे तक. एंड ये रही मेट्रो. इफ़ यू डोंट सी नाउ दिस लुक्स गुड. मस्त लग रहा है. ऐसा लग रहा है ना सबवे ही है. सबवे का कलर अलग रहता है. इधर मेट्रो में पेट गया. एंड मेरे को रिकॉर्ड करना है यार. मेरे को अभी ना मैं जो ट्रेडिंग का जो सेशंस है वो सब रिकॉर्ड करने वाला हूँ ऑन द गो. नॉट ऑन द फोन. एब्सोल्युटली आई एम गोइंग टू डू दिस ऑन द लैपटॉप. मैन ये हिंदी वाला ब्लॉग मेरे को नहीं चल रहा है. मैं ना कल से इंग्लिश वाला ही ब्लॉग बना रहा हूँ. आई एम सच कंफर्टेबल इन दैट. ठीक है. इफ़ यू आर इन मेट्रो एंड यू आर नॉट वॉचिंग आउटसाइड द विंडो देन what else I can say, man? Like you're watching the phone inside the metro, man. Look at the views. These views which should motivate you to get out from your comfort zone. Should not be on a bed. Look at that. You might be watching my video. Oh shit! I gonna have to. Look at this, man.
कृपया चलते समय सावधानी
and the trees on this side. Doesn't it looks beautiful?
ट्रेन में चढ़ते और उतरते समय अपनी साड़ी दुपट्टा.
And look at this view, yaar. This view is so good, isn't it? Doesn't it feel like a drone shot? But it's not a drone shot. I'm shooting it from metro. Look at. Within 3 years, we'll be owner of that MasterCard company. Doesn't that sound cool? Because it is. 90% of the train got empty right there. Oh my god! Look at the time. We're almost 15 minutes late. Alright, boys. So मैं आ गया हूँ. नहीं English. I reached to this Kalyani Nagar metro station. So now from here, it's like a 2 to 5 minutes walk. So that walk is beautiful, you know, because we can see the Mercedes showroom while on the go. The one which we are going to buy within 2 months average. So yeah, there right there. how in the world this camera started, I really don't know. But look at the view. That right there is the Mercedes showroom, and now we are heading towards here. There's a dog. So guess what? यहाँ पे बहुत सी गिट की स्मेल आती है यार. I will do mix Hindi and English because now I did the Hindi vlog for almost some time. Video is on right here. Now we are doing the English vlog because I wanna shift, brother, to this English vlog. I mean, yeah, I'll try my best to speak English and so what it is, third grade English playable manner, so that you all guys can understand. Because if you can't understand, then there is an issue. There is issue right there. All right, boys. So we are about to reach to the office. I just can't share anything about the office. Just can't share. This is a GLS 450, which I have drive it. The bodyguard is driving that car. Is that bodyguard or is that the actual person? But yeah, we are rich. Almost we reach. After, I mean, I wanna share. I can't share the information, but I can share what I'm going to do. Which after I go in there, I'm going to a trading floor where the trading of that company happens. Oh my God, you won't even believe. The only one thing which I don't like, that is I hate to go like an employee. Okay, as a business, as an entrepreneur, like this is the worst thing ever happened. But it is what it is, brother. It is what it is. There is the upside in this opportunity. So yeah, we will be doing good. Yeah, boys. So I'm actually walking towards the office, and I got this notification: CHF JPY is crossing. Which is not good. So because I'm not on my desk, I wanna record this on my desk. I mean on my Mac. So we can't, hold on, we just can't take the trade right now. We're gonna have to wait for the ultimate to shift our structure. We just can't take this trade. I mean, man, this looks beautiful, man. Is this the lower high? No, that is not the higher low. Market is still bearish, but it is an higher and a higher low. I just can't take the trade. I want this. Instead, I just can't take the trade. Signing off. This is my last video for today. I'm kidding. So this is the office. I can't shoot inside the office. So yeah, this is it. Let's go inside and let's get into this picture. Hello there, good morning. Right now अभी बज रहे ऑलमोस्ट 9 o'clock को 5 मिनट कम. यहाँ से जाने के लिए मेट्रो से हम लोग को 45 मिनट्स लगता है. सो नहीं 45 नहीं 40 मिनट्स. एंड वहाँ से मेट्रो से ऑफिस वॉक इज जस्ट 5 मिनट. एंड ये सब भी क्या बोल रहे हो, ऑफिस वगैरह क्या चल क्या रहा है. सो मेरे मामा की कंपनी है, तो वही ऑफिस में मैं ज्वाइन हो चुका हूँ. एंड आप सोच रहे कि मैं आई हेट जॉब, मैं तो जॉब को हेट कर रहा हूँ. ये क्या सीन है, तो ये क्या सीन है, ये कब हुआ, ये कब बना यार. मैं 2 महीने पहले आया था, ये नहीं था, ये बिल्डिंग था ही नहीं. तो डिगिंग कर रहे थे. तो आई हेट जॉब, दैट्स ट्रू, बट आई डोंट हेट बिजनेस. तो ये जॉब से मेरे को बहुत अब ग्रोइंग वाला बिजनेस मिलने वाला है. यू वोंट इवन बिलीव, जो भी मैं बोल रहा हूँ वो सच होता है. एंड एक मिनट, एंड द थिंग इज कि आज हम लोग को ट्रेड मिलने वाला है. एंड मैं इतना कॉन्फिडेंस हूँ कि ये वीक में हम लोग का प्रॉफिट होने वाला है। एंड जो भी लॉस हुआ है 2.4% का टोटल लॉस है, वो सब रिकवर होने वाला है एंड डबल प्रॉफिट होने वाला है। दैट मीन्स विल बी राइट नाउ अभी हम लोग डाउन -2.4% है, तो हम लोग प्रॉफिट में जाने वाले हैं ऑलमोस्ट 2%। तो विल मेक 4% -2.4% विल मेक प्रॉफिट ऑफ 2%। Actually we'll make a 4.2% profit, then -1.2 is equals to 2% profit. या वो कैलकुलेशन मैंने yesterday किया था। फुटपाथ ये फुटपाथ ख़त्म भी हो गया है। देखो ये कचरे में से नहीं जा सकता मैं, तो मेरे को हाईवे से ही जाना पड़ेगा। ओह माय गॉड, ये क्या है? ये गिर रहा है, इसके ऊपर से गिर रहा है, कचरे की गाड़ी है। होली शिट, मुझे थोड़ा साइड पे ही जाना पड़ेगा केयरफुली। ओह माय गॉड, लुक एट दिस। ऐसे भाई मैं बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ एंड प्लस वहाँ पे बहुत कचरे का स्मेल आ रहा है। यहाँ पे डंपिंग एरिया है। वहाँ पे मेरा ऑफिस जो है, वहाँ पे बहुत सारे लीड्स भी बोल सकते हैं। तो भाई बिजनेस एक बिजनेस ग्रो होने वाला है, और वो सब बिजनेस मैंने भी येस्टरडे के ब्लॉग में डाला हुआ है, तो यू कैन गो एंड वॉच इट। अभी हम वॉकिंग क्यों कर रहे हैं? वॉकिंग हम लोग वहाँ पे एक मेट्रो स्टेशन है, वो मेट्रो स्टेशन पे जाएंगे। वो मेट्रो स्टेशन पे जाने के बाद वो वनाज का मेट्रो स्टेशन है, फिर फ्रॉम वनाज टू कल्याणी नगर हम लोग मेट्रो से जाएंगे। एंड फ्रॉम व्हाट इट इज, फ्रॉम कल्याणी नगर टू ऑफिस विल गो फॉर 5 minute वॉक। साइनिंग ऑफ ब्रदर, मेरा हाथ दुख रहा है। विदिन 2 seconds मैंने वापस ओके ये फुटपाथ से हम लोग जा सकते हैं। मेरे को ये अपडेट देना था, हमें भूल भी गया था बताना कि ना कि वो दादा को लगा, उनको ही बोल रहा हूँ मैं। सो मेरे को ये अपडेट देना था कि हम लोग एक नहीं, 2 नहीं, 3 स्टूडेंट बहुत रेडी है टू लर्न अबाउट ट्रेडिंग एंड मैं उनको सिखाने वाला हूँ। तो मैंने 2 स्टूडेंट को होल्ड किया हुआ है एंड जो एक स्टूडेंट है वो स्मेल बदबू, तो वो एक स्टूडेंट है, उनका लेक्चर मैं आज से 11:30 रात के 11:30 से लेकर 12:30 तक 1 घंटा लेक्चर लूँगा। माय गॉड मेरा हाथ दुख रहा है। अवेल बैक में ये सब बाद में, एक बात की बात है। वनाज, अरे यार वनाज का नेम था, मेरे नाम वनाज के मेट्रो स्टेशन पे आया। लुक एट दिस, कर दी सब ऑफिस तो जा रहे हैं ना। सो अभी हम लोग यहाँ पे वनाज। सो नाउ हम लोग ऐसे जाके इधर आना है। दिस इज़ दी कल्याणी नगर, ये हमारा स्टॉप रहना है। एंड इवन दिस इज़ दी, उधर से नहीं इधर है, ये जो पूरा ये वाला जो एरिया है ना शिवाजी नगर से इधर तक, ये पूरा अंडरग्राउंड है। एंड इफ़ यू वांट एक्सपीरियंस गो इट। मैं वनाज के मेट्रो स्टेशन में एंटर कर गया। एंड मेरे को यार हिंदी वाला ब्लॉग आ रही ही नहीं है। आई एम वेरी गुड इन इंग्लिश ब्लॉग बट आई एम ट्राइंग टू लर्न हिंदी, बट इट इज़ व्हाट इट इज़। नाउ दिस इज़ द रामवाड़ी, हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स दिस। वैसे भी लिफ्ट चले गए, विल टेक दैट एलिवेटर, दैट राइट देयर इज़ द एक्सपीरियंस। If you're taking the elevator, you will not get this experience. So, मैं तो वही लेने वाला हूँ। हाँ, look at this. ये स्टेशन ऐसे ये वाला जो लाइट है ना, बहुत ड्रीमी लग रहा है यार। It looks good. Also, look at this. हेलीकॉप्टर, मेरा भाड़े पे दिया हुआ हेलीकॉप्टर आ गया, देखो हो रहा। अरे बाप रे, कितना भारी लग रहा है यार, शार्क जैसा है। वाओ, आई लाइक इट। तो वो माउंटेन पे मैं गया था, वो वाले वो जो जितने भी माउंटेन है वो सब माउंटेन ही है। बट और इसमें दिख नहीं रहा है क्या, फॉग है। वो वाले माउंटेन पे गया था मैं 2-3 महीने पहले। बट लुक एट दिस, कितना मस्त लग रहा है यार। द लाइट इज गेटिंग फिनिश टच। एंड ये रहा मेट्रो स्टेशन। बाप रे बहुत गर्दी है। तो नेवर एवर स्टॉप ओवर हियर, स्टॉप इन समवेयर मिडल और समवेयर एंड, नेवर स्टॉप इन फर्स्ट एंड एंड इवन लिफ्ट के सामने कभी रुकना नहीं, बिकॉज वो वहाँ पे बहुत भीड़ होती है। ठीक है, अ हैक। गाड़ी आने को टाइम है थोड़ा, एक मे बी सम सेकेंड्स। सो लुक एट दिस, वो एरिया में बहुत भीड़ है, ये एरिया में भीड़ नहीं, बिकॉज यहाँ पे पीपल आते ही नहीं। वो पीपल आते हैं ऊपर एंड वहाँ पे ही रुक जाता है। तो यस्टरडे मैंने 1:30 बजे तक मैंने पैरट्स फक। मैंने यस्टरडे लिटरली 1 बजे तक मैंने बिज़नेस का लेक्चर किया, फिर उसके बाद मैंने वीडियो एडिटिंग किया एंड अपलोडिंग किया ऑलमोस्ट 1:30 बजे तक। एंड ये रही मेट्रो। इफ़ यू डोंट सी नाउ, दिस लुक्स गुड, मस्त लग रहा है। ऐसा लग रहा है ना सबवे ही है, सबवे का कलर अलग रहता है। इधर मेट्रो में पेट गया एंड मेरे को रिकॉर्ड करना है यार। मेरे को अभी ना मैं जो ट्रेडिंग का जो सेशंस है वो सब रिकॉर्ड करने वाला हूँ ऑन द गो, नॉट ऑन द फोन। एब्सोल्युटली आई एम गोइंग टू डू दिस ऑन द लैपटॉप। मैन ये हिंदी वाला ब्लॉग मेरे को नहीं चल रहा है। मैं ना कल से इंग्लिश वाला ही ब्लॉग बना रहा हूँ। सच कंफर्टेबल इन दैट। ठीक है, इफ़ यू आर इन मेट्रो एंड यू आर नॉट वॉचिंग आउटसाइड द विंडो, देन what else I can say, man? Like, you're watching the phone inside the metro, man, look at the views. These views which should motivate you to get out from your comfort zone. Should not be on a bed. Look at that. You might be watching my video. Oh shit, I gonna have to look at this, man.
कृपया
Water on
चलते
this
समय
side
सावधानी
and the trees on this side.
यात्रियों
Doesn't it looks beautiful?
इन्हें ट्रेन में चढ़ते और उतरते समय अपनी साड़ी, दुपट्टा
And look at this view, yaar. This view is so good, isn't it? Doesn't it feel like a drone shot? But it's not a drone shot. I'm shooting it from metro. Look at that. Within 3 years, we'll be owner of that MasterCard company. Doesn't that sound cool? Because it is. 90% of the train got empty right there. Oh my god. Look at the time. We're almost 15 minutes late. Alright boys, so मैं आ गया हूँ. नहीं, English. I reached to this Kalyani Nagar metro station. So now from here, it's like a 2 to 5 minutes walk. So that walk is beautiful, you know, because we can see the Mercedes showroom while on the go. The one which we are going to buy within 2 months, average. So yeah, there, right there. How in the world this camera is started, I really don't know, but look at the view. That right there is the Mercedes showroom, and now we are heading towards here. There's a dog. So, guess what? यहाँ पे बहुत सी गिट की स्मेल आती है. I will do mix Hindi and English, because now I did the Hindi vlog for almost some time. Video is on right here. Now we are doing the English vlog because I wanna shift, brother, to this English vlog. I mean, yeah, I'll try my best to speak English and so what it is, third grade English level manner, so that you all guys can understand. Because if you can't understand, then there is an issue. There is issue right there. Alright boys, so we are about to reach to the office. I just can't share anything about the office. Just can't share. This is a GLS 450, which I have drive it a little The bodyguard is driving that car. Is it bodyguard or is that an actual person? But yeah, we are rich. We reach, almost we reach. After, I wanna share. I can't share the information, but I can share what I'm going to do. Which after I go on there, I'm going to a trading floor where the trading of that company happens. Oh my God, you won't even believe. The only one thing which I don't like, that is I hate to go like an employee. Okay, as a business, as an entrepreneur, like this is the worst thing ever happened. But it is what it is, brother. It is what it is. There is the upside in this opportunity. So yeah, we'll be doing good. Yeah, boys. So I'm actually walking towards the office, and I got this notification: CHF JPY is crossing, which is not good. So because I'm not on my desk, I wanna record this on my desk. I mean on my Mac. So we can't hold on. We just can't take the trade right now. We're gonna have to wait for the ultimate to shift of structure. We just can't take this trade. I mean, man, this looks beautiful, man. Is this the lower high? No, that is not the higher low. Market is still bearish, but it is an higher and a higher low. I just can't take the trade. I want this. Instead, I just can't take the trade. Signing off. This is my last video for today. I'm kidding. So this is the office. I can't shoot inside the office. So yeah, this is it. Let's go inside and let's get into this picture. Hey there. So the office खत्म हो गया. And look at the time. Right now the time is next to 5:40. 5:40 over average. Give me a second. I'm trying to escape. Yeah. So I'm using the other phone for recording just because of my first phone is about to die. I mean, no battery in that first phone. So using the other phone. Now the office is over. I'm pretty much thinking to go somewhere, because it is what it is. I am feeling like to go in the mall, and why, you will understand. Because today I got so frustrated, a lot frustrated. I mean, things are good, I'm not gonna lie. Look at the helicopter, man. So things are good, but the issue is, I will tell you later on. Brother, the video is on. Yeah. I hope I'm getting recorded. Man, I just can't say. I was on a trading floor, but I can't say what I did. But yeah, I mean, first time I saw that type of trading live. I just can't share any details, so to keep the privacy things in a hand. I hope I'm getting recorded, brother. Yeah, I just check it. Yeah, the camera and every single thing is perfect, kind of perfect. I'm using the other phone. So now the question is that have I took any trade? Cigarette. I hate cigarettes. I just don't like cigarettes, man. Okay, the question is, oh my God, man. The question is, where are we going I'm thinking to go to mall. I'll check the location. And my hand is spinning now, so I will record it later on. But I'm also thinking to see the Mercedes GLS 450, maybe if possible, just to motivate us. To be honest, I'm just speaking, man. There is no content right there. I will be back. My hand is fucking spinning right now. So thinking to go to the mall. The mall is pretty close from here, and the mall name is I need to find it. Yeah. Oh my god. I'm feeling like to resign, man. Seriously, like Mama is helping me, but you know, I'm literally not getting the what it is exposure. Sorry, not exposure. Exposure is wrong word. I'm literally not getting the time for working on my business. So, are we going to continue this? That's now I have to decide. Should I go home or should I go to the mall? I just want to see the money, man. I think I'm in a wrong place, you know. Like I am in middle of the employees, which I don't want to do. I should be in middle of the entrepreneurs, which I wanted to. I need to think. Hello there. So I have decided to go to Phoenix Mall. So how I can do it? By going from Kalani Nagar to Ramwadi metro station, and from Ramwadi metro station I'm going to walk for almost 800 meters, and once that done, I just want to see like rich thing, man. Once that done, then I'm going to walk, and then I'm going to enter into the mall, go to the most expensive, because I want to see the money. I want to see the money, man. I want to get fucking motivated. And that right there is the thing. Look at this car. Doesn't it look like a G-Wagon? That's why it got there. So that's the plan. Oh, I thought I have to close the recording. So why I'm literally going just because of I want to see money. That is the reason. That is only the reason. We'll not take the lift. We'll go by the steps. There we go. So I came into this. So now this is going to Vanas. We wanted to go to Ramwadi. So we're heading towards the Ramwadi. Let us go. Man, I need to do the decision, man. I gonna have to, because if things grow, then he will to assume that I'm very much interested and he will push me. But the thing is, in the back of my mind, I'm just not feeling well, man. I say, like, he asked me, how are you feeling? I gonna have to, like, I gotta say that I'm feeling pretty good. Yeah, like I said, like, I'm feeling good. Oh fuck, this is so good me. So much hotness over here. So yeah, I came out here. Oh, look at that. The train literally arrives within 2 seconds maybe. And now we're heading to it. We get it. Going for Ramwadi. Within one station we'll be reaching it. Stay tuned. So I'm into the train. Look at this. Within one stop we're dropping over here in Ramwadi. Wow, look at the view, man. It literally doesn't feel like I'm in Pune. I feel like I'm in somewhere like in New York or something. Man, look at this. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. It does looks good in a camera, man. I mean, it also looks good by my eyes, but it does looks good with the camera, inside the camera. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that sunset. Oh shit. You can't able to see. Wait a minute. Oh shit. Look at that, man. Doesn't it look so good? Wow. It looks so good, isn't it? So now I drove over here. So now let's actually I want to charge the phone, but let it go. Look at this view, man. Look at this. Oh fuck. Look at that. That sunset is so beautiful. That building is I'm going to own this pretty soon. Your boys, I reached to the Ramwadi. Now we are heading towards so much noise, so much honking. For what? Oh my, look at that. Why? Look at that car, look at that bus. Like why? The question is, now what? Now we have to walk almost for like 700 meters. It's pretty good, decent walk. We just have to. I mean, there is also bus. It just take like 5 rupees, but what the fuck? But why? Walking is good for our health. Let's walk. Why to pay the fees for not walking? Like why? Okay. So now let's walk. Basically, yeah, it is this thing. Like for next 2 hours, we are literally going to waste our time for next 2 hours. So let's go. But I'm investing this time to get motivated, man. Also think about this job and whatnot. I mean now I'm stuck. I just can't say, yo mama, I wanna resign. I just can't say this. Yeah, what I will say to my mama, I'm thinking like, because now I have to give hint to mama that I'm getting tired, man. What I thought while coming over here before I do this, that I will get time. Yes, of course. Not yesterday. Today I got time to work on my goals. Yeah, I mean I got time, fucking time to work on my goals. At the home, I was got so comfortable in a home. Yeah, I literally got so comfortable in the home. I wasn't able to focus. But coming over here is actually is like I'm investing my time, but the time I should be investing into generating leads, doing this, doing that, but which I can do. And I'm just, I need to think, man, before I say anything, because brother, I really need help. I really need someone to have a word, man, to have a conversation, but there is no one. So the only thing, I can talk with ChatGPT. I will be talking with ChatGPT in the mall, because if I go, like, see, if I go home, done, my time is going to get wasted, because I need to be with Avian, which is good, but I don't want to invest my time right now. I want to invest my time for learning, doing business lecture, whatnot. Hold on, I'm crossing the road. See, what I will say to mama, that hi mama, that I also want to work on my business. I mean the best and the most, I want to let him know that I need time also for my business. Also, so what I will do, I will take guidance from him. Yo mama, this is my business, this is what I want, this is this and this is that. So what I should do, That's how he will understand that I need time. Okay, means I just can't do job for 20 hours. Of course, he is not letting me to do that for sure. But the smell is not good. Look at that. So yeah, today we just have done the 7 hours job. That's it. Not more than that. So what I'm thinking right now, I mean this thing is good. Fuck man, I'm talking anything. Oh, my hand is also paining. Hold up. Well, I really need to do the meeting, man, with myself. Really, because my hand is paining, man. I will be back. Fuck. So the thing is also, oh shit, I was afraid of my Mac getting scratched by this box. So we are about to reach. I mean, we kinda reach only. Like this is the exit of that. Within 5 or 7 minute walk, I just reached. It's a bit closer. That is what I'm saying. Why to take a bus, pay them, and stuck in traffic? The time is going to be same. Walking or doing this. The best way is walk. I'm now. Hold on, man. So I'm thinking, fuck, Gadi. I'm thinking right now, and yeah, I'm getting answers back and back that this getting exhausted is what you want. Is what you want. That is the reason you came over here. That was going to be happen. The second thing over here, there are a lot of leads around there. And the third thing is learning a lot. Fourth thing is you are creating bunch of contacts, man. So I'm just not feeling. Holy shit! Look at that. Yeah, we are entering over here. This is what our destination is. So these are 4 things I'm looking into for doing this, and guess what? We are getting it. So why I'm fuck, my hand is burning, man. Why I'm thinking to not to do it. Look at this. Okay, so let's go inside. So this is a bus, I mean, which is not new. It is over here from, I think so, almost a year. Looks like that. So I just wanna see. I'm just going to go in the most expensive store in here and see their sales. I wanna learn the sales, the way they talk. Are they taking the contact information of the leads to get connected in the afterwards? We'll see every single thing. We're not going to buy. Maybe we will. But the main thing is learning how they sell. Look at this, fuck. It is so good. Look at this. Wow. Now, this is what I'm saying, brother. I can literally, holy shit, I can literally sit over here and do my trading analysis, do the business lecture. Look at this. This is the best place to sit, isn't it? Getting motivated from all other place. Dubai, what is this? Dubai. Oh, that is Arabia, Dubai. What the fuck? I really wanna ask. Hold on. Haha, look at this. I asked them, but what's the price, brother? They are selling perfumes. I asked them, what's the price? They said, max 5,000. I'm like, oh, perfume? I'm like, show me what expensive thing. She is like, every single thing is expensive in Dubai, but we are having the medium range perfume right now in our hand. This looks like we can have the touch. Ooh. You know what? I'm going to search. We can. This is the Android, okay? I have done this previously. Got it. If I press in the middle, like over here. Yeah. This thing is Android. I literally played YouTube on this. my video, but it's let it be. Ah, I see, man. Now this is the best place, man. Look at this. Look at the money, man, around you. Doesn't this is going to motivate me for learning about business, getting into the trades? Even I can collect the leads over here as well. Maybe I'm not going to be salesy over here. I really don't know where to go, so I just came down, and I will just take a one look. Then we'll sit on that place. We'll check our trades. If we got, look at this. If, do we got any kind of trades or not? If yes, beautiful. If no, move. We'll do the business lecture maybe over there as well. There's no voice is getting recorded. Signing off, brother. Holy Deva, look at this. So, signing off, boys. Signing off. 30% off. I know this thing is sells. 30% off, 40% off. I mean, the more important thing is they should not do this. Rather than keeping 40% off, they should be keeping the price different. Like 5,000 worth of thing coming in 200 rupees. That right there is emotional. What the heck is a 40%? What is that? No one gives a fuck. Everyone knows that. Yeah, there is a discount. What's next? Reliance Jewels. Ah yeah. I mean, I'm not interested in jewelry, so I'm going to skip that. Oh fuck. Look at this. What the heck is this? This thing is good. This thing is beautiful. Christmas has done, but still we have. Is this the real piano? Oh shit! Yeah, it is. No, I mean I don't know, man, but it literally looks like that. It does look like that. Look at this, brother. Now, doesn't this is going to motivate you? In which direction I should go? From here or here? Doesn't this look so decent? And this is what my choice is. But I mean, there is no requirement right now, so I will not purchase it for sure. So there is the machine right there. I will ask them the price, man. I'm just not gonna lie, man. Look at this place, man. We can literally sit over here and do our trading analysis, man. Like, look at this. Wow. I like the seats over here. I mean, should I continue to do it right now? Or maybe we'll circle back and we'll come back over here. Can we touch? No, this is not touch. Look at that, man. Oh, that right there is the. I'm not interested in that, so that's it. So circle down, but third world coffee. I will be definitely going to sit over here. If I didn't got any place which is good than this, I'll be coming back over here and then sitting because this is so fucking cozy. I can shoot the lecture as well, man. Look at this. Wow, I love it. I just love it. So yeah, this is it. Let's go on the other side. Let's explore it. After exploring, we'll check it out where we can sit, where we can have the things around there. I'm so fucking thirsty right now. Also, I'm not comfortable because I'm wearing this. I'm wearing this formal after almost a year. Oh shit. The books? Who is selling this books? I wanna ask about the Alex Hormozi book. Man, look at this bookstore, man. Finally, I found it. I hope I could find this book that I'm looking into. Man, look at this. Like, I don't think that these are books. These are the books. Wow. But this doesn't look like the books which I'm looking into. This looks like a child books. But when I entrance, I saw the Atomic habit. I'm asking them for 100 million leads. If we got it, we maybe order it. Harry Potter. You wanna buy Harry Potter? No, you shouldn't. You should just buy the business books. So the result is no, they don't have the book. Of course, that book is #1 bestseller book. Yo, Mac. #1 bestseller book. And guess what? They don't have it. That means they're missing something, right? So where should we go? We just have to remember that. Oh fuck! Look at this. Oh my goodness! Wow! What an entrance, man! What an entrance! Hey, it is good. I mean, it is good, man. So now we have to just remember we need to go straight from over here, and I'm just exploring the places where we can sit. I came from there. Now we are heading towards here. I'm going to get lost. This is the best place, man. The best place for like doing the business lecture. Pretty good. Pretty Samsung, man. Oh, hold on. Oh my God! Look at that, man. This is so beautiful setup for trading, but we don't trade on the PC. But you know, I mean, we maybe can search it. Where the heck mouse is? The mouse is working. Mouse. Samsung Galaxy A52. So I just came from the Samsung. I told them my camera is not working good. Holy shit! Look at this casino. Casino is here, but it's not a casino. It's a gameplay. It's not a news of us. Perfumes. Wanna buy perfumes? No. Hey, what the fuck is this? Look at this. Look at this. What's up? Oh, Stranger Things. Yeah. We'll ask the price. What's the price of this? After discount. Okay. Is it going to be available tomorrow? I wanna buy this. See, what's the time of opening? 11. Okay. I will come on tomorrow. And this 2000 I'm getting this. Good. The headphone, I don't want to waste time on headphones because I have Mac speakers. It's so good. Realme, I mean these guys are investing a lot in creating the showroom. Exactly same like a Mac. I can go more down for what? Softies. This is also good. What is Usta? No, that's a fucking ladies thing, man. What's up with down? Wait. What is down? Lower ground. Accessories, department stores, entertainment. We'll see what is down. We'll see. Ooh. I don't know what's that. No one goes over here. We'll see, man. What? Classic Pasta Festival Limited. What is this? Oh shit, this is the exit. This thing is exit. No. This is exit, brother. This is exit. I got scammed. I got fucking scammed. Man, look at I came to park it. Man. I thought this low ground means this town. That photo is so good, isn't it? Imagine you're also enjoying such kind of things. Man, look good. Oh fuck. I'm not seeing the character. I'm seeing the background. Look at the beach. Beach yani samundar. Okay. Do not get me wrong, please, boys. Please control. Lower ground. Check. About to 7. Almost right now is what is 6:40. I'm feeling good, man. This is what I like over here. These guys have worked a lot to create the environment for feeling people good. If people feel good, they will buy. If they don't feel good, they will don't buy. Oh, look at that. So, what is this? Now let's go up. Let's explore upside, and then we'll see where we can sit for our trading analysis. What is Malabar? I think I have, yeah. From here as well we can go. Let's go from here only. Or should I go from there? Let's go from there. Because I came from here, let's go from there. Look at where we came. Oh, Starbucks. Starbucks is good. We can take the coffee later on, but first, let's explore every single thing. Yeah, that right there we gone down. Yeah, that is the place. So now let's go, let's explore. Man, look at this. Cut. Wow. Look at this, brother. Look at this. Where we should go? Over here. No. Should we? No, that's the entrance. Sale. No one gives a fuck about sale. Sale is just a scammy word now. Do not use sale word. But it's just a scamming. Look at it. No one looks at it. Just wasting your space down there. Man, look at the clothes, man. I like it. I like the clothes. Hi there. So, ye wo shop. I asked them, like I'd gone. I asked them, show me the most expensive watch. Holy shit. Look at the Fossil. Let's ask them as a most expensive watch. Let's go in. So, brother, I got into Fossil. I got into Fossil. I think so. We came over here. This is the place we start. So we'll go up. Jesus, look at this. Can I touch? Pretty good. It's same like my coat. It doesn't have that feel, you know. I want to go up, man. I want to go up from there. So, I got into Fossil. I asked him, show me the most expensive watch. And I'm not gonna lie, brother, the expensive watches are so similar to the type of the watches which are available in, you know, like 1000 or something like that. I just don't want to compare. I want the Bugatti watch. If you have the Bugatti watch, please comment down. I want to buy that, brother. I'm not just joking. I'm serious in this. Hey there. So now I'm done roaming, man. I'm done roaming. I'm roaming since from like a half an hour to 45 minutes. Now I'm thinking to go to that place, sit over there, and then just do my trading analysis. That's it. Let's go then. Because what else? I'm just heading towards shops. That's it. It's a boring thing, but I like the G-Shock. I gone to the G-Shock. Holy shit. I gone to the G-Shock and asked them what's the most expensive. They said like a 95,000 that. But I like the design was not good, to be honest. So, what was that? Other thing. I'm a bit thirsty right now. Oh, this is also looks good. What is Indian culture? Yeah. So I asked him a product code. I will maybe buy it, you know, like later on someday. But I like that watch. Not 95,001 because the design is not good. So the other watch is literally looks like it is more than 95. So I'm going to look at it. You look at this. This is a place where we are going to sit. Man, that looks good. We'll do the trading analysis. Maybe we'll record the maybe course, maybe. So yeah, from here we have to go. Let's go. I like the vibe over here. Holy shit. I like the vibe, man. But I'm missing one thing. And that one thing, you guys can understand that one thing. So let's go. I'm literally missing the one thing. Aloneness. So we reach over here. We'll sit over here. We'll find a place somewhere it is good. That looks good. That looks good. No. Which place looks good? The background must be good. This place looks good, but this fan is there. I mean, that place. Yeah. This place does look good. A lot good. Let's sit over here. Yo boys. Yo boys, I'm with this Mac. Look at where I am. I am right now in the place over here, sitting in this cozy area and going to open this Mac. Look at this, man. Sundar, Ati Sundar म्हणतात ना, ते आहे. So I'm right now going to record the screen. Yo brother, I'm carrying this over here because over here there is no range. So let's go upside, because by going up only we will be getting range. The place is so good, but there is no range. So the good place becomes bad place. That is it. And upside also a good place for sitting. We'll sit there. Should I buy Starbucks coffee? Should I? I mean, really? I mean, should I? Like, that coffee is going to kick me, but that is of no use because I'm going to do my trading analysis and then go to home, which is going to be a full travel, and then the after the dinner we'll be doing the analysis. So almost 2 hours will be wasted of coffee if I drink right now. So it's a better place. I mean, it's a better time to not to drink it right now. Or either don't drink. For what? I'm right now heading towards the entrance where I can able to what I was saying. where I can able to sit and do the trading analysis. Where the fuck the entrance is, brother? Hey brother, I just came on the store. The name you can see. Bro, I came over here to buy the jewelry for my mom, just to look at it. But what I saw is this, the bull, our trading symbol, man. Wow. What is the cost of this?
It's 1,70,000.
Yeah, it's just a 1,70,000. It's beautiful, isn't it? Should I buy it? I'm looking to buy it. Man, I have to show it to my mom and then I can buy it. I will be back. Hey brother, I mean, I just saw the beautiful thing ever. I want to shoot myself. Hold on. I just saw the beautiful thing, man. Like a beautiful, the bull. I told him like, I'm going to buy it. And guess what? If I say that, it has to happen. Man, this camera angle is so worse. Something is wrong with this camera. So I'm actually heading towards where the heck the entry is. I really want to ask someone, man. Yo, I came into entry and look at this. The place which I'm finding on is I got. Look at this place. This is the place we are going to sit. I'm not going to sit in a very much starting where there is sounds. I'm going to sit over there. That right there is the place where we are going to sit, because we do have a good option to do it. I like this watch as well. Oh my god. Oh fuck. I'm getting attracted with watches, man. Like, I like that one. Okay, let's go. I just gone into that ethos shop and look at that. I saw the 89 lakh watch, and that watch is literally unique, but that is not it doesn't feel like that is worth 89 this much lakhs. It worth 89,000. Doesn't worth lakhs. So right now I'm going to do the trading analysis right now because I have to. And then once we're done, then we'll head towards home. Yo boys, नहीं गलत हो गया यार. Yo boys, I just keep the laptop. It's a bad word for saying the Mac as laptop. Let's say Mac. I keep the Mac sitting in the outside Apple store. Still in this my phone is about to date, so I'm not shooting over here. So understand the low quality. Let's go home. Let's go home. Yo boys, I came out. Let's go to the home. Now the process of going home is pretty good. I just have to walk. I can take the rickshaw, but no. Rather than taking rickshaw and getting stuck in traffic, look at that. Like why? Let's go by walk. You know, let's go by walk. After we go by walk, and then we will be reaching within 6 to 7 minutes of walk. We'll be reaching to the metro. And after reaching to the metro, we'll be taking the metro. And after taking the metro, we'll be getting dropped to the 1 hour. After dropping the 1 hour, then we'll be having the walk towards the sister house. Man, I will talk. Hold on. Yo, I hope I'm getting shooted. I hope. Let me check. Yeah, I check it out. I'm getting into this. I'm getting into picture. So the only thing which I don't like is I wasted my time. I literally wasted my time, man. Not good. Again, one more day. One more time I wasted my time. Damn it. I did mistake, man. Damn it. I wasted my time. I feel bad, man. I wasted my time, man. It's not good, man. Also, because of the torch, I can see the road. Oh my god. The dog. They can bark. Look at the road. So what I was saying over here that I wasted my time. Okay, let's do the discussion. Let's do the proper real discussion. Should I say to my mom, my mama that I wanna go home, I can't handle this, or I stay here? But the only thing I don't like to stay over here is I'm away from my parents, which is not good. My hand is spinning right now. I'm away from my parents and my hand is fucking paining right now. I'm away from my parents. Second thing, which now I have to find the fucking pigeons. I hate pigeons. Staying here, staying in a worse place, I hate it. So oh fuck, my hand is spinning now. I think this thing is going to motivate me, man. Hold on, my hand is spinning on. Okay, so my hand is back. So the only thing is stopping me to stay over here. It is like a food and the place to stay. Now I can stay to my sister's house, but for how much days? For like 2 to 3 days. I have to find the PG. Now to finding the PG and to deal with it, I have to pay 2,000 to 3,000, even 5-6,000 per month. I did the fucking mistake, man. And who is going to pay this 5-6,000? My mom, dad? I don't want to get burden on my mom, dad, man. What the? I literally don't want to. It's very hard to see the fucking road with this. Man, very hard to see the road. It is what it is. I hope I don't keep my leg into poo. No. Man, so what, man? So what? Holy motherfucking shit. My hand is fucking paining, man. What I'm thinking, now this is going to get burdened, man. I don't want to get burdened. My hand is fucking paining. It's not good. I don't want to get burdened. That's what my main thing is. I'm gonna have to find something. I'm gonna have to find something. I have to think on this. I will back, man. Hey there, so मैं नहीं ऐसा ही है रामवाड़ी के मेट्रो स्टेशन पे नहीं इंग्लिश नहीं हिंदी व्हाई नॉट I just came to the Ramwadi metro station now. So confusing, man. So I said Hindi, I said English, then I decided Hindi, then I speak in English. What is wrong with me, man? Something is wrong with me. I need to calibrate my brain. I came to this station. Now we'll wait for the train. I'm literally deciding like what to do. Literally ongoing. The thinking is ongoing, brother. I mean, hold on. Look at the buildings. Wow. I like the buildings. Buildings, the structure. I like the curve one, man. The curve structure. It's good, isn't it? My God. Look at that, man. Look at that. Oh, plane. Oh, bhai, plane, bhai. Hey there, I'm into metro. I'm into metro. Look at this. The view is so good. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. अरे गया क्या? अरे यार. Hey man, this is the time and we drop. Now we are heading towards the sister house. So we're gonna have to walk. We'll be walking almost 1.5 kilometers. Man, I have decided, man, I'm not going to continue because I'm draining myself a lot. I must be focusing on my business. I will get more discipline. Andrew Tate is right. If you can't control your brain, you can't do anything. So that is the reason. I must be thinking about this, man, earlier rather than doing it and then thinking now. It's worse. Let's go. Yeah. Your brother. I'm so tired right now. I'm walking for next 1.5 kilometer. अब इतना टायर्ड होके मैं कैसे बिजनेस के ऊपर लेक्चर करूँगा यार? हाउ इन द वर्ल्ड आई कैन डू इट? हाँ, मैंने मेरे हाथ से टायर्ड कर लिया यार खुद को. हाँ, क्या करूँ यार मैं? कि छोड़ दूँ क्या जॉब? घर पे जाके एटलीस्ट 4 घंटे तो अपना लेक्चर होता है. अभी इधर वही पीरियड वही टाइम पे करना है लेक्चर. बस पैसे इन्वेस्ट करना है. पीजी ले लो, ये ले लो भाई. गलत किया यार मैंने. यू नो व्हाट, गलती का ऐसे हो रहा है यार मेरे को. मैंने फालतू में एग्जैक्टली यार, ये तो बराबर है. मैं घर पे कितना भी टाइम वेस्ट करूँ, एटलीस्ट एवरेजली मैं 4 आवर्स तो भी देता हूँ राइट, फॉर ये लर्न करने के लिए अपना. बिजनेस के बारे में एटलीस्ट 4 आवर्स तो जाता ही जाता है। यहाँ पे भी मैं उतना ही सीखूँगा, बट यहाँ पे मेरे को जॉब करने को होगा विच आई हेट द मोस्ट। आई डोंट लाइक टू डू द जॉब। सेकेंड थिंग, मैं पीजी में रहूँगा, वहाँ पे मेरे को पीजी में खाऊँगा, 10-12 हज़ार दूँगा, लाइक 10-12 हज़ार चार्जेस लगेगा। एंड द नेक्स्ट थर्ड थिंग इज, भाई नेक्स्ट थर्ड थिंग क्या है मालूम क्या? यहाँ पे मैं मेरे मॉम डैड से दूर रहूँगा यार। मतलब मैं प्रोडक्टिविटी तो वही है, मिलता है फुटपाथ से चलता है, आउटपुट तो वही आने वाला है, बट यहाँ पे बहुत लॉस है, वहाँ पे बहुत प्रॉफिट है। घर पे मैं ज़्यादा टाइम भी दे सकता हूँ, बट यहाँ पे मैं 4-5 आवर्स मैक्सिमम दूंगा, राइट, फॉर लर्निंग ट्रेनिंग आफ्टर डूइंग, नॉट लर्निंग अबाउट बिजनेस आफ्टर डूइंग द जॉब। दोनों को है मेरे को वैसे, सेम पीरियड, सेम टाइम, मतलब सेम आउटपुट अगर रहेगा तो पैसे क्यों डालने हैं, राइट? वही 4-5 आवर्स वाला जो भी आउटपुट है, 4-5 आवर्स बिजनेस लर्निंग वाला जो आउटपुट है वो होगा घर में, इवन उससे ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है, राइट? उधर मैं आराम से रहूँगा, येस कंफर्टेबल विल किल मी, बट मेरे को रूल्स डालना पड़ेगा, राइट? और मैं अगर यहाँ पे रहूँगा तो मैं जॉब करूँगा, राइट? और मेरे को पीजी पे और उधर रहना पड़ेगा, विच आई हेट द मोस्ट। मेरा टाइम जाएगा बहुत, और मेरा बहुत टाइम जाएगा यार, तो टाइम भी जाएगा, पैसे भी जाएगा, राइट? तो मेरे को नहीं लग रहा है यहाँ पे, नॉट गुड, बिकॉज अगर सेम आउटपुट आ रहा है, आई एम क्रॉसिंग द रोड, बाप रे, न्यू फियर अनलॉक भाई, जाओ या नको जाओ? अरे बाबा, जाओ या नको वहाँ पे? अरे बाप, बहुत सारी गाड़ी एक साथ आ गई यार। हाँ चलो 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 या तो मैं, अगर मेरे को प्रोडक्टिविटी सेम रहने वाली है, वहाँ पे मैं घर पे आके बिजनेस करूँगा, मतलब बिजनेस करूँगा, बिजनेस के बारे में सीखूँगा। वहाँ पे डॉग है, हाँ, यहाँ पे मैं जॉब करूँगा एंड बिजनेस के बारे में सीखूँगा, बट इधर मेरे को इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ मनी बहुत रहने वाला है, विच इज़ नॉट गुड। फुटपाथ से जाते हैं, आई डोंट वांट दिस ऑप्शन, ऑप्शन इज़ नॉट गुड। So the only thing I can do is go home. The only thing which I can do is go home. मेरे को यही ऑप्शन लग रहा है यार अभी। अरे बाप रे, I will be back, मेरा हाथ दुख रहा है। Hello there. So I'm about to reach to the sister house. And guess what? Yes, मैंने मेरा डिसीजन बना लिया। I'm going to tell to mama tomorrow. Also going to message him. He will also understand like what I'm feeling. So also, most probably will go to home tomorrow. Also, I will tell to my mom, dad. Also discuss with the sister. We'll see how it goes. Jeez. Increase my heartbeat. So now I reach. बहुत थक गया यार, signing off. वाह, हाई फाई, quick. काय करतो तू? Hey there, I'm doing this lecture at 11:15 right now.